Hey, I'm Mitch with Encapsulations Down Under, and I'm here to answer the age-old question, does bleach kill mold? Stay tuned. Tell me if you've heard this before. Oh, you're dealing with a mold problem? Just spray some bleach on it and paint it with Kills. They'll take care of it. I've heard customers tell me that contractors, friends, family have told them this, and it's just plain wrong. It baffles me. Bleach has not been proven to kill mold on a porous surface. Do you know what a porous surface is in a crawl space? Wood. And that's where you are worried about mold growing. That's why we at Encapsulations Down Under use a hydrogen peroxide based product. Hydrogen peroxide has been proven to kill mold, and that's why we are very proud of our product and its effectiveness. So if you have someone or a contractor telling you to spray mold on that bleach, run and come to us, Encapsulations Down Under. Thank you and have a wonderful day.